Is this thing working? If you change how you feel, you always win. You're the master. So, when we think of something negative, that gets pushed back to us. It becomes around us. Things happen negative. When we feel positive, then everything's good. And it works in our favor. So, if we hate work, well, that's telling us, hey, we can go get a new one. That's something positive. I hate this work. It feels groggy. It weighs you down. It feels negative. We can be like, I'm going to make some money. This new job, I'm barely going to have to work at all. I'm going to be making so much money. I can do whatever the F I want. If your girlfriend breaks up with you, we can be negative because it's all just how we feel. We change the narrative. Oh, well, you're going to get a better girl. She had to go do her own thing. Be happy for her. We start to hate. Be negative. Then that's what we feel. If we be like, and it doesn't matter what the future holds. It's just the way you feel. Because then you will feel that in the future. If you feel negative about it, it's going to drag you down. Until you don't feel negative about it. If no girl's going to want to get with you if you're real negative, and then you'll get caught up in a cycle of your negativity. negative things will happen to you. And chances are, you'll complain. So any situation, if we see the positive, then we're not tense. When we feel negative towards something, it binds us. Have a nice one, guys. When you feel positive, you're free. It's me. It's you. Our true nature. To let us be.